What's up, guys? It's Ryan with STALK Outdoor Gear, back in the office again. And what we're going to do this evening, we've been out in the woods taking a lot of videos for you guys to show you what you can do with this equipment. And what we're going to do tonight is showcase how you can use this Apex ladder system to set up a cot, and you can also set up a tent. So now you're keeping the rain off of you and you're elevated up off the ground. So I'm carrying a 5-pack with me right now. I have a 10-pack in the backpack, and we also have the 10-pack displayed here on the tree. So with a set of 10, you can get super high in a tree if you're hunting. Same with the set of 5 if you're using the Apex 8ers. But I want to show you with a 5-pack what you can do real quick just to set up a quick camp, or even an emergency situation where you got to get some shelter. You can make it happen real quick with this setup. So we're going to do a little time lapse. So I'm going to get started. The gear here is we're not manufacturing the tents and canopies yet. We are in the process of getting that taken care of. We simply went to Walmart, paid a few bucks, and you know, we'd love for you to buy our gear in the future, but if you already have it, you know, just use what you got with the Apex ladder system. So let me get started by putting a few steps on the tree. We'll get the cot hooked up and then go with the tent. So I'm going to go ahead and hang the 2 steps for the tent above head height. Again, it's just a tension knot. Now we got a lever, tensioner and a lever. Cam it up, make sure the standoffs touch the tree equally. I'll just tuck away the excess. And this will be for our cot. I'm not quite sure how high we should go, but we'll try about waist height. This knot is basically like shooting a bow or using a tool. Repetition is key. And once you are able to understand the little micro adjustments on those, it's pretty much repetition and muscle memory of using those. I'm right-handed, so I put the standoff to the left, put the step to the tree, rope comes around the tree, cross the standoff up through, counterclockwise twist with my left hand, reach it around the standoff, tail end comes out to the right, pull the step up, make sure standoffs touch equally, cam it down, tuck the rope aside. I got number 4 going on here. I think we're about this height here, right underneath here. You get to the point where you can basically tie this knot with your eyes closed. It's just like anything, just practice. Take out the slack, pull a step up, make sure they bite equally, cam it over. This hammock has some D-rings on it already. I'm gonna see if I can kind of cheat, put it on the V-press. Don't even have to use the ropes. Look at this, we might just luck out. Look at this. So, lock in the hammock, I'm sorry. And I have a roll of paracord I'll quickly just tie on here. You know, this would be a good solution if a situation was bad where you just had to get out of the elements. And if you have I would not recommend an emergency tent to do this. We tried that earlier, and it was kind of not a good experience, so we went and got a tarp, and we're gonna give that a shot. You could do a trucker's hitch to keep that tight. So basically, if you were a little closer to the ground, you could stake that down. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to hop into this. I've never even actually sat in a hammock before, so I'll take the tent off. And let's actually try. I might end up in the creek. Oh, or maybe not. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is another little video we have for you by the Apex ladder system. And I don't know, it's a pretty easy setup for a quick caught. I mean, we didn't even have to use the ropes that came with it. As you see, just clipped right into that V that we pressed into that bar. Keeps the other ropes centered. If you're using them for a cam system to pull logs, to hang game, to skin your game, you can set deadfall traps with these things. You can do so many things with these once you have them locked into the tree. And that's why we are just so excited to offer these to you guys. And we really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video.